Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. When Oba, king, went blind. Rezo. Ògbè Ròsò afidi kwe osoriben lekui. Olele baba biale omo obalele. Olele baba biale omo obalala. Olele okwa sure olele lakwa oda. Aun ania bayakunlo sile elele. Aun mafufu kete aun malakui orobo. Patakin, sacred story. Esu had asked Ògbè Ròsò for a he-goat, a wunko, to help him avoid a great misfortune, but Ògbè Ròsò refused. One day, the boss summoned him to carry out an urgent task. You must dry the sea. Ògbè Ròsò agreed, but only if the king could find him a man who was lame, hairy, and bald at the same time. The king searched everywhere but could not find such a person. Then Yesu appeared disguised before the king and said, "Give me a he-goat, and I will bring you that man." The king accepted. He gave the goat, and Ògbè Ròsò lost. While Ògbè Ròsò was performing ebbò, Yesu appeared and said, "Do you see what happened to you for not giving me the goat when I asked?" Ògbè Ròsò tried to close the ritual, but it wouldn't seal. He asked, "Do I have to go in it myself?" Yesu answered, "Moni be, yes you do." Since the ebbò was destined for the sea, he had to go in. Ògbè Ròsò drowned. Later, the son of Ògbè Ròsò received a divination that told him to wash his head with aya tutu, cool ritual substances. These were not found in the market, only by the ocean shore. There, he bought the materials. And the spirit of his father spoke, "Be careful, I'm inside. Even though I'm dead, keep me in your house. Keep me hidden from the world." But the son drank alcohol with his enemies and forgot his father's warning. He went before the king and arrogantly said, "That won't happen to me. My father is dead, but I have him at home." The king replied, "Then I will come see." The son said, "For 300 ounces of gold, I'll give you the proof." The king paid. Together they went to the house, and there the spirit of Ògbè Ròsò appeared, covered completely in juju and white feathered clothing, eyele fun. When the king saw this, he went blind. Final lesson. This is why no one is allowed to look directly upon Olófin. His power is too sacred for human eyes.